Hindi naman nabubuksan to.
Napaka late ng payoff. Pero yung undertaking to do that, sobrang laki. So, kung saan yung ano doon, hostisya. Diba? Saka nasaan doon to get the game. Despite na wala na sa picture tong platform natin. Diba? So, we can still download the game. Pero that is not the case. Diba? Kasi nga, ganito, diba? So, ngayon, dito sa sinasabi kong proposal na parang utilize yung Web3 na para magkaroon ng facility na maging tradable yung
to the dodge. Just showed up all of a sudden.
No hunters to kill them?
Well, we've got hunters, just none that want to cross Ulvund. Boss of Chain Scrape.
Marshals. It wasn't easy, but I brought the Sky Clan with me.
Can't override that now. Need to get data from the cauldron if I can find one.
Patayin natin yan si Ocelot. Game over.
What's this about?
Thanks to the Savior, the sun has shown the truth on the Bristleback incursion. Tanakh rebels were keeping pens of machines.
Yes, yung Guns of the Patriots, yung MGS3, exclusive sa PS3 lang siya. Wala siya sa PC.
Alam mo, grabe kayo sa akin, no? Ba't naging Freddie Mercury na ako bigla, no? Kala ko sasabihin mo, sir, nandito na si Kiko Miranda. Ayan.
Oh, yun, dahil.
Aren't as bad since you got this place running again. But we still got Ulvund grating the gears about his concession decree. If you don't put that down, I'll come over there and show you how that game ends.
Kasi nga, okay. Ang benefit kasi na tinitingnan ng mga tao or ng mga corporate is the monetary benefit. Diba? Or, let's
Not forget that it was the Karja.
I'm not done. The sinkhole only formed due to your unauthorized blasting in the southern mine, Ulvund. You are responsible for the machine.
Ulvin probably threatened to cut off her pay. Or worse.
How about you slow down and take me through it?
ano yung parang kailangan nating i-mold para mas maging solido siya. 'Di ba? Para mas maging replacement siya dun sa current na meron tayo. Kasi ito, dapat mawawala na din siya sa'yo, sa account mo. 'Di ba? Ngayon, ang Web 2, hindi ganun nag-work. No? Parang nangyari, nagka-copy ka lang. Kaya dumadami, kumakalat yung data. No?
Your objective, Sokolov, is inside the factory. They should be holding him in a room in the northeast section.
Northeast section. Got it.
Be careful.
Then die.
Wala lumabas. Ay, akala ko pwede mag-farm dito.
Why?
Apparently, they're conducting a field test of the weapon, but it's our best chance to get him back. This mission would never have been possible if he was still in the research facility. This is
yung game na gusto mong laruin or individual game, no? So, yun yung titingnan nyo. 'Di ba? Hindi na yung parang dahil, malaking nung nalaro ko yung Call of Duty Infinite Warfare, parang na-feel ko ulit yung Shadowfall vibe on that. 'Di ba? Tapos ayun pa nga. I mean, mas malalo pa siya. Ikaw, pasok ka ng pasok opisina, sayang pera mo. Diba? Wala ka naiipon, sir. Sayang. Wala ka pang games. Diba? Sarap kaya ng work from home.
To the Dodge. Just showed up. All of a sudden.
No hunters to kill them?
Well, we've got hunters, just none that want to cross Ulvund. Boss of chain scrape.
Order without first consulting you.
Evidence says otherwise. Aloy found the shipping manifest in the mine. You skirt.
At lang, ayun, share ko lang yung stream natin. Suzuki daw ulit.
Yung mga offline games na binili natin, hindi natin ma-access, no? Kasi kailangan ng authentication, ganyan, at stuff, whatever. So, isipin mo na lang,
Mga bitches.
We gotta talk.
Energy blast should help you vanquish your opponents.
Aga. Hello, Mervin. Siyempre, para mamaya, game na. Bandage, disinfect.
And for the good of all. I carry those words with me. On the hunt. No matter where it takes me. And now... carry those words with me. On the hunt. No matter where it takes me. And now, I'll carry them with me.
Video game collection. Ang pinaka problema dyan is parang ang video games kasi is ginagawang commodity. Hour na tayo, may gulay. Oh, wait lang, redeem lang tayo. Kasi piling ko talaga mabilis lang tong topic natin. Kaya nga tinatry ko munang mag-engage sa inyo as much as possible. Of that X eh. Pero ang key kasi doon is that hindi mo siya mararan, no? Hindi mo siya magagamit not unless you have the valid NFT to activate that.
Excellent. A great success.
And at the same time, nasa atin na nga yung bola, ang hirap pa. No? Kumbaga parang, at least if we try to keep it legit as possible.
Snake.
Guys, next time na
We meet at last.
Or yung parang nangyayari no, sa game preservation, it's because of the DRM. Kasi ang nangyayari dito is that kailangan ma-make sure nung kapag tambay ka, no, or unemployed ka, no, may mga vices or may possible may mga vices ka, no. Sa ibang bansa,
may Hosoke dal pa dito.
diba? Kasi it's purely based on emotion. Sometimes, diba? Sometimes. Kaya minsan, no, yung dream na, ano, paano ba? Parang pinaka gusto kong puntahan, no? Bago man lang tayo mawala sa mundo, di ba? Bago mawala sa mundo, no? Makapunta ng Japan, no? So, yun, di ba? And then, yung mga review na makikita mo online, so, try to pick at least yung very, ang tawag dito? Very passionate yung kanyang take.
Ano ba yun? Hindi makita. Well, good evening, Sir Migs.
Isa sa mga factor na pwedeng magbigay ng solution is that yung tinatawag nating Web3. Okay, ano ba tong Web3?
There's the strength to make a stand. To serve.
Coming here made me realize something. Half of what I'd been told was a complete and utter lie. The other half was a conveniently constructed lie.
Where's the truth then?
We gotta talk.
Yeah!
Okay. So, pwede na ba tayong mag-discuss about sa topic natin? Baka daw metaphor pa ang maging goatee. Mo, di ba? Tapos Sapporo, Hokkaido naman, di ba? Tapos Okinawa. Okinawa kasi parang Pilipinas lang din eh. So, we can skip that. Pero yung pinaka-main Black Ops 6, di ba? Yan yung shit nila ngayon eh. No? Pero ako, I really enjoy COD Infinite Warfare. Cash on delivery.
Of your presence. Is that clear? This kind of infiltration is the Fox unit's speciality. In other words, weapons and equipment are procured on site. That goes for food as well. You're complete.
Hindi.
Sokolov is ours. Now get out of here.
And Ocelot never lets his prey escape.
What?
No? Kaya, syempre, naghahanap tayo ng alternative to experience that. Diba? Pero syempre, sa ibang tao na parang they are eager talaga no, to collect game.
Smashed them good.
Here you go.
Outstanding! I only need a few minutes to finish the prototype.
I'll take the version that won't blow my arms off. Thanks.
Yan sa Boy Langaw.
Hornets.
I mean, yung internet facility, no? I mean, that's the thing, no? Kumbaga lahat tayo dito is merong responsibility na kailangan gawin para maging, maging,
Parang walang loot na lumalabas ah.
Alam, sabi yung notes ko.
They might have a camp up that way.
Come for that beer after. Get a pint in her. Wasn't expecting you to swing by.
Since when do I do what's expected?
You won't survive long. If we meet again, I'll kill you.
Binili ko yung key o yung hindi key parang binili ko yung game digitally, no? Tapos nasa akin na rin yung X kasi na-download ko kay Sony, 'di ba? Tapos pagdating kay Sony, no? Anyway guys, so to be honest, yung intention ko for this stream, no, is supposedly tong content na to na maka-come up natin.
May bagyo na ba ulit? Ano bang bagyo ngayon?
All right, say the password. Who are the Patriots? Who are the Patriots? Answer me!